hail's turned in from marble size now to, I don't know what size those are. What's the bigger size marble? Oh my word. Yeah, we're getting hail here now, guys, at White Rock Lake. Wow. I just hope it don't crack my window. I can live with the dents in the car. Got a guy right on my butt. We're under a tree here in a gas station trying to avoid the hailstorm. So everybody's pulled up under a tree. So we got us two, got this one, two big trees right now trying to protect us. Wanted to film this short little video and show you all this little hailstorm we're going through right now. About 20-mile-an-hour winds, a lot of rain. This is Saturday, June 1st, 2024. Ooh, that snow cone truck over there looks pretty good. Looks like it's slowing down a little bit, guys. I might have to get back on the road, so I'm going to let y'all go. Y'all have a good one. Enjoy. See ya. And as I say in all my videos, don't let the road hit you in the butt. See ya!